Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Paranasal sinus, and we're looking at its functions. So mainly there are just 3 to 4 functions. So what is it? First is the air conditioning. So you have an air conditioning of the inspired air. So air conditioning of the inspired air. This is by providing a large surface area. So there will be a large SA. SA stands for the surface area, and over which the air is humidified and warmed. So here the air, if you see, it will be humidified. So air is humidified as well as it is warmed. Next is to provide the resonance of the voice. So then it provides the resonance. So this resonance of the voice is done. The other function of the paranasal sinus is it acts as a thermal insulator. So it forms a thermal insulator. Because of thermal insulator, it protects the delicate structures in the orbit. So because of the thermal insulator, it protects the structures of the orbit. So it protects the structures of the orbit and the cranium from the variations of the intranasal temperature, and also the cranium. So it protects the delicate structures in the orbit and the cranium from the variations of the intranasal. So variations of the intranasal temperature. The other point is that it lightens the skull bones. The paranasal sinus, it lightens the skull bone. So just to recap, it provides air conditioning, resonance of voice, thermal insulator, and the lightening the skull bone. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.